Hello, everyone. This is Mrs. Stroud again with our phonics page for today. Okay, this is page 92 in our Reader's Notebook. It's lesson 21. And today we're going to have a spelling word sort. We're going to write each basic word under the correct heading. Now we have words with ED and words with ING. The first thing I'm going to do is read down your spelling words for you. I'd like you to read after me or wait and read them again at the end. Okay, our words consist of our basic words, our review words, and our challenge words. So here we are. We have 14 basic words that it asked us to put under ED and ING. Number 1, coming. Number 2, swimming. Number 3, dropping. Number 4, tapping. Number 5, taping. Now I want you to notice something between tapping and taping. Tapping has 2 consonants after the vowel, so that closes it in and makes our vowel short, as with dropping and swimming. Taping only has 1 consonant after the vowel. That makes our vowel long. So let's take a look and see if we can find some more like that. Number 6, invited. Number 7, saving. 1 consonant. Number 8, stared. Number 9, planned. 2 consonants, short vowel. And there's our glued sound also, an. Number 10, changing. Number 11, joking. Number 12, loved. Number 13, gripped, short vowel. Number 14, tasted. Next, we have our review words. Our first one, well, I think it's going to have a long vowel, making. And our second one, there's our 2 consonants, short vowel, stopped. Finally, we have our challenge words, freezing and scared. So down here at the very bottom, after you're finished putting your 14 words in, it says add the review words to your word sort. And your challenge says add the challenge words to your word sort. So boys and girls, you can listen to this over and over. Again, I'd like you to repeat the spelling words with me as you go along. Okay? All right, you have a great day. Happy learning.